مرحبا. موضوع اليوم.
At the car repair shop.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our auto repair shop.
Hi there, my car's been acting up lately.
I'm here to help. What seems to be the issue?
It's making a strange noise when I brake.
Ah, that sounds like it could be the brake pads.
Is that serious?
It could be if left unchecked. Let's have a look.
Thank you. I'm hoping it's nothing major.
Let me take it for a test drive first.
Sure, take your time.
I can hear the noise you mention.
What's the next step?
We'll need to lift the car to inspect the brakes.
Okay, I'll leave it in your hands.
Would you like a complimentary coffee while you wait?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
Here you go. Cream and sugar?
Just cream, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take a seat, we'll be quick.
I appreciate your efficiency.
The mechanic will check it out shortly.
Thank you for your help.
I'm back. It seems your brake pads are worn out.
Oh no, what should I do?
We'll replace them for you. It's a common issue.
Thank you for diagnosing the problem.
It's our pleasure. Safety first.
I'll make sure to keep up with maintenance.
That's the spirit. Your car will be ready soon.
I'm grateful for your expertise.
No problem at all. Have a great day.
You too, thanks again for everything.
مفردات.
Repair. Afternoon. Issue. Strange. Noise. Brake. Serious. Unchecked. Test. Drive. Inspection. Complimentary. Cream. Sugar. Mechanic. Worn. Replace. Diagnosing. Maintenance. Expertise.
شكرا لمشاهدتك. لا تنس أن تعجب بالفيديو، اشترك في قناتنا، وفعل الإشعارات لكي لا تفوتك أي من فيديوهاتنا.